Mercedes-Benz GLB class, which will slot between the GLA and the GLC. It will offer a 5+2 cabin and is being positioned as a Trail Ranger. The GLB's wheelbase is 111.4 inches, making it 1.7 inches shorter than the GLC. With a spacious cabin, the new Mercedes SUV can comfortably seat 5 people. The second row reclines, and if you need more room in the cargo area, it also can slide forward. A third row with 2 seats is optional, but it's short on head and legroom and can only fit young children. Would a GLB not come very close to the GLC? No, as the GLB is based on our compact car platform. Though we did actually ask ourselves whether there is room between the GLA and GLC in our successful SUV portfolio. And the GLB is the first part of the answer. The GLB is the first compact vehicle from Mercedes-Benz to offer a third seat row on request with 2 additional individual seats. The seats offer people up to a height of 1.68 meters a comfortable amount of space. The extensive safety equipment includes retractable head restraints, seat belts with belt tensioners, a side window airbag which also protects the passengers in the third seat row, plus side brakes and top tether anchorages for suitable child seats. These can be used to attach up to 4 child seats in the rear. The Mercedes-Benz GLC has been in the market for 4 years, and is the brand's most popular SUV model. The strengths of this mid-size model include outstanding driving characteristics both on and off the road, spaciousness, practicality and comfort. Features of the new model now include a more stylish appearance, a new control concept, the infotainment system Mercedes-Benz User Experience, innovative driving assistance systems and a new range of engines. The powerful proportions of the GLB underscore the design with its off-road orientation. The surfaces of the forms are emphasized, and reduced lines and precise seams are major features. The upright front section with its striking headlamps is clear evidence of off-road genes, as are the short overhangs at the front and rear. GLC exterior design is characterized by sporty features. A distinctive off-road look is accentuated by muscular surface contours and striking details such as the chrome trim that now continues from the front end to the rear as standard, the redesigned headlamps and the heavily contoured radiator grille. The instrument panel consists of a single piece, which has optical cutouts in the driver and front passenger area. The driver faces a widescreen cockpit, with control and display via Mercedes-Benz User Experience. A new feature is the characteristic off-road tubular element in an aluminium look which rounds off the lower section of the instrument panel and houses the 3 round center air vents. These give the dashboard support an impression of robustness, power and a certain fun factor. Below the nozzles is the air conditioning control panel, whose buttons create the impression that they have been milled from a solid aluminium cylinder. In the interior, a high quality of finish and high-grade materials such as open-pored wood are combined with user-friendly controls. As standard, both versions of the GLC feature the modern, learn-capable infotainment system Mercedes-Benz User Experience. In the interior, a high quality of finish and high-grade materials such as open-pored wood are combined with user-friendly controls. As standard, both versions of the GLC feature the modern, learn-capable infotainment system Mercedes-Benz User Experience. Its strengths include intuitive control using a variety of inputs such as touch control, gesture control, with the help of the MBUX interior assistant, and the optimized voice control system, Hey Mercedes as standard. The Mercedes-Benz User Experience augmented reality function for navigation adds useful navigation information to a video image of the surroundings. The new GLB places its trust in the 4-cylinder petrol and diesel engines which were completely updated to relaunch the compact model series. In comparison to the previous generation, they are characterized by significantly increased power, improved efficiency and emissions. The gateway to the petrol model range is the M282 with a displacement of 1.33 litres in the GLB 200, combined fuel consumption 6.2-6.0 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 142 to 137 grams per kilometre. This engine has cylinder shut-off for efficient operation in the partial load range. The 2-litre M260 engine in the GLB 254matic, combined fuel consumption 7.4-7.2 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 169 to 165 grams per kilometre. One has cast iron cylinder liners in its engine block of die-cast aluminium, widening at the lower end as per the conic shape registered trademark principle. In-house, the cylinder bore process is descriptively known as trumpet honing. This minimizes piston friction and cuts consumption. In the aluminium 4-valve cylinder head, the Camtronic variable valve timing system allows two-stage adjustment of the valve lift on the intake side. Thanks to further extended exhaust gas after treatment, the 2-litre diesel, OM654Q, in the GLB 200D GLB 220D with the 8G DCT dual-clutch transmission. The GLC powered by the new generation of 4-cylinder petrol and diesel engines. In the GLC 204matic and GLC 304matic, the previous M274 engine is replaced by the 4-cylinder M264, while the 4-cylinder OM654 diesel engine replaces the preceding OM65. The new engine generation is of great importance for reducing CO2 emissions, and is a systematic advancement with regard to lowering consumption. New technological features of the petrol engines are above all a variable Camtronic valve timing, which heats up the exhaust system more rapidly, the twin-scroll turbocharger and the 48-volt system with a belt-driven starter alternator, EQ boost. This increases agility, improves ride comfort and considerably lowers fuel consumption, as the system makes important hybrid functions such as recuperation, boosting, and gliding possible. More stringent requirements and lower limiting values. The 4-cylinder OM654 diesel engine was designed with a view to further reductions in consumption and emissions, as well as lower operating costs and improved engine performance.